Yeah, I think IIHM in the last 4 years now has shaped me in a way that I'm still connected to IIHM because of the collaboration that my hotel has with the college, which is incredible because I'm still a part of my college, which feels incredibly familiar and incredibly nice to be associated with somebody. So, I mean, with something that has shaped me to be the person that I am today. I remember in my first year, like Dad said, I was never a shy person, and Abdullah sir would be witness to it. I was never a shy person, but obviously I was new to the industry, new to the kind of people that I was seeing. I was new to the culture. I grew up in a very different setting, in a very different culture, and coming to this college opened my eyes in a very different way, in a different manner, because I saw a lot of different people from different backgrounds that we had just started to learn. And I feel that coming to the college was by far the best decision I have ever made. Dad has very openly said that that he let me to come to the college. I remember having I remember having a conversation with him when he and I were almost in a heated conversation where we were like, no, you shouldn't join the industry. This industry is not nice. I was like, no, I have to join this industry. I have to do this. I have to do this. And he was like, nahi beta, aap bahut, because obviously he's a dad, right? He has to protect his little one. But when I was adamant about joining the industry, when I was adamant कि नहीं, I have to become a chef, I want to become a chef, his only answer was, he said कि you देखो, आपको जो देखना है देखो, you want to see colleges, you see colleges, you're on your own now. But then when I gave up, I said, Papa, nahi ho pa raha hai. He said he took me to one college, and there was one visit I still remember. I met Sunita ma'am and I met Abdullah sir, and there was this one chef we used to have, Deepak chef, and I only met three of them, and he didn't even say anything to me. He said, "Do you like the college?" I said, "Do you trust it?" He said, "I trust it with all of my heart," because I remember he was also the vice judge, and I remember visiting him or be tagging along with him on all these events and stuff. So I was astonished, and I was really astonished by what IIHM had to offer, because all these things that I had just heard about going to the wine tour, about going to international internship opportunities, when I got to experience all of that, I think that changed me a lot as a human being. And especially when I talk about the international exposure that IIHM gave me, it wasn't just one exposure that they gave me. It was I think about twice, sir, if I'm not wrong. And they showed me discipline. They showed me I remember, I mean, if you guys are planning to join, please do that. If you're not passionate about the industry, then do it just for the discipline. Because this industry and this college is going to teach you discipline in more ways than one. You're going to learn etiquettes, you're going to learn how to be a human being first, and then a hospitality professional. And I think that is really incredible on how they do it, the way of teaching, the way of conversing to new people, to new students who have just sprouted up from grade 12 is incredible, because we had this studio thing that had just begun, and they put us in charge of it. Ki, this is your responsibility. And I was like, but I can't. I'm just starting. They said, no, this is your responsibility. Mess up. Doesn't matter. You just have to do it. And when I started doing it, I remember I used to have so much fun. I used to have so much fun because just in the first year, I got so much exposure talking to these hotshots of the industry. I met Chef Kunal Kapoor, and it was incredible how he knew the college. I remember when I was conversing with him, all I had to say was, I'm a first year student of IIHM Delhi. And he stopped in to give some time to converse with me, which was incredible. And I think that's the power IIHM has over the industry.
For a great hospitality career, call 98310 50,000.